Braocoon.
Have you heard of volcanoes and earthquakes, my friend?
Yes, my friend. I have heard of volcanoes and earthquakes, but I can't really explain what it is all about.
Sure, my friend. These natural events are fascinating parts of the Earth's story. We'll discover why they happen and see some cool science in action. Get ready to shake things up? Let's get started. Let's know what are volcanoes. Volcanoes are openings in Earth's surface where molten rock, gases, and ash escape from deep below. When they erupt, volcanoes can form mountains or islands.
Wow! What about magma and lava? Are they part of the Earth's volcano as well?
Deep beneath the Earth, in a place called the mantle, rocks melt into something very hot called magma. When magma bursts through the Earth's surface, it's called lava.
But what causes an eruption?
Pressure builds up inside a volcano because of all the hot gas and magma. When there's too much pressure, boom, the volcano erupts. This can happen suddenly or over time, and scientists work hard to predict when an eruption might occur. Do you wish to know the rock cycle?
Sure, my friend. That would be great.
The rock cycle is made up of volcanic eruption, igneous, sediment, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, and magma. The rock cycle helps us understand how these rocks change over time. It equally helps scientists predict when big events like earthquakes might happen, find valuable stuff like gold and oil, and figure out how to take care of our planet.
This is amazing. Can you please explain to us what is an earthquake?
Sure, my friend. Earthquakes happen when the Earth's plates move and create waves that shake the ground. These plates are like giant puzzle pieces that cover our planet. Have you heard of faults and seismic waves?
No, my friend. We haven't heard of them.
No worries. I will better explain them to you. Most earthquakes occur along faults, which are cracks in Earth's crust where plates meet. The energy that is released during an earthquake travels in waves called seismic waves, which we feel as shaking. Let's now dive into knowing how earthquakes are measured. Scientists measure earthquakes using something called a seismograph. This tool records the strength of shaking, helping to determine the earthquake's magnitude on the Richter scale.
Wow. But what is the connection between volcanoes and earthquakes?
Many volcanoes and earthquakes happen along the Ring of Fire, a path along the Pacific Ocean. This area has lots of plate boundaries, which means lots of action for both earthquakes and volcanoes.
But what is the impact of volcanoes and earthquakes on our environment?
Volcanoes can create new land, enrich soils, and form habitats. Earthquakes, while sometimes destructive, can also change landscapes in ways that create new environments. Always remember these safety tips during volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. If you live in an area prone to these events, it's important to know how to stay safe. During an earthquake, if a volcano is about to erupt, follow evacuation orders from officials. And if there's ash falling, stay inside and keep windows and doors closed. Lastly, always have an emergency kit with food, water, and medical supplies.
But how do scientists predict earthquakes or volcanic eruption?
Scientists use different tools to monitor Earth's movements and predict when and where an earthquake or volcanic eruption might happen. They use satellites, ground sensors, and even water chemistry to keep us informed and safe. Volcanoes and earthquakes are powerful reminders of our planet's dynamic nature. They can be destructive, but they also play a crucial role in shaping our world. By learning about them, we can better prepare and appreciate the awesome power of planet Earth. Thanks for joining us on this amazing topic. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more fun educational content. See you next time.